but we just attended Smart Infinity's event to launch Samsung Galaxy Fold. But we won a lot of prizes, so I'm happy.
We actually have a special booth there of the Samsung Galaxy Fold for you to actually experience it from our Galaxy Masters, for you to feel how it is, and if any questions that you may.
Alright, congratulations to our first batch of winners.
Hey, so we are at the launch of Samsung Galaxy. Manala's place. Of Samsung Galaxy Fold, and guess what? I won a helicopter ride and Chris won the TV. So we're very, very happy. We're very lucky.
You know that I enjoyed it.
Yes. We won 3 awards awards. Prizes pala. Yes! Nanalo din siya. Mas na-excite ako. Thank you. And so,
thank you for inviting.
Yes, of course. Okay, going back. So, backtrack ngayon. We are actually on the way home, but we just attended Smart Infinity's event to launch Samsung Galaxy Fold. Actually, event ni Chris. Hindi ko event. Plus one lang ako. Saling pusa lang ako. But we won a lot of prizes, so I'm happy. Are you happy?
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye! Hey, so we're gonna backtrack.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, before you leave, is it okay?
Samsung nga tayo, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So just look at the camera and I'll be asking you some questions. So first, how did you find tonight's